Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2012 Ram 2500 and 3500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Uninstall and lower the fuel tank, then remove the exhaust from the Crossmember hanger. Step 3. Cut along the circumference of the Crossmember tube where it meets the frame rail, then make a cut in the center of the Crossmember. Pull each half of the tube out of the frame rail. Step 4. Cut away any jagged edges and grind the holes in the frame rail to create a proper surface to accept the new Crossmember. Paint the edges of the holes with weld-through primer. Step 5. Slide one of the included frame plates on one end of the Crossmember, then insert that end of the Crossmember into the frame rail. Slide the other end of the tube into the other frame rail. Do not add the inner frame plate, this will be done later. Place the outer frame plates onto the very ends of the Crossmember, on the outer side of the frame rails. Cut the remaining inner frame plate in half in order to install it on the Crossmember. Step 6. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the frame plates in place. Confirm alignment of all components at this time. Weld all edges around the outside of the frame plates, then weld the seams between the frame plates and the Crossmember tubes. Step 7. After installation, paint the Crossmember and plates with rust protectant. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer spray paint. Reinstall the exhaust and the fuel tank. The included M10 nut is for the rearward fuel tank strap. It requires a 15mm socket.